I just released the WCAG course, and I see this as the perfect complement to the ADA compliance course, but it also stands alone. So I recognize that people around the world want to improve their accessibility, and they want to incorporate the web content accessibility guidelines into their different digital assets. I've already got a checklist and guide for WCAG 2.1 AA available for free on accessible.org. And so that's not going to change. But with this course, I've added premium add-ons that I think really help you understand what the different success criteria are asking for. And so the main way this course is different is there are video explanations of all 50 success criteria. And the videos are me just in plain English talking through what the requirement is for each success criterion. And another difference is on some of the success criteria, I have provided code examples to help guide you and help you understand what the proper implementation of the success criterion, the different success criteria would look like. Another difference is an Excel spreadsheet that I've created. And one of the best things about this spreadsheet is you can sort it by success criteria that are you very likely have to take action on, success criteria that you need to review, and if there's an issue, then you take action on, and then the success criteria where you likely don't need to do anything. And so that is unique. That's not available, but the reality is, although there are 50 success criteria, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to take action on those. You just have to account for them. And some of them, accounting for them is fairly easy, and you likely have already incorporated that consideration into your website or your web asset. But this will help you prioritize and understand where the success criteria that are heavier in workload, and then working on down to the ones where you need to make sure, you need to review and make sure that you have them in place. And then those that you probably don't need to do anything, but you will want to consider them, right? They're in these the guidelines for a reason, but you probably don't have to do anything for it. And so that column is there. And then there's a column where you can you can mark something as complete or not, and then you can sort it by the success criteria you've completed. So that Excel spreadsheet is in the course. This course really has everything you need to know to understand the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines version 2.1 Conformance Level AA.